Hey y'all, welcome back to Shalom Meadows, where we're flipping this 1960s to 70s office trailer building to our home. I want to say this and apologize for all the videos that you watch where I fuzz in and out. I know why. I apparently I have ADHD. I've been told. When I move around a lot, I know that's probably why the camera can't catch hold of my movements, so it fuzzes out. Could be the lights, could be because it's focusing on other stuff. But we appreciate you coming back to watch the video, and we apologize for all the lack of videos and the short videos we've been doing. This week, we're keeping the feast. We're keeping the God of heaven, God of Abraham and Isaac and Jacob's feast, and Leviticus, and Genesis, Exodus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. Leviticus 23 is where the feasts are listed, if you want to know about it. And that's why we are being lacking kind of on the videos. But today it's going to be another short one. I apologize, but as you can see, there are a lot of light in here, because if you watched the previous video, we got some lights in the living room. But what I was saying is we're going to cut some of the carpet out. We're going to take some of the trim off. And we're not going to cut the complete carpet out because, eventually we're going to get to the flooring. And we have the flooring and we have cabinet and flooring sitting right here. So as you've seen the videos way back, we've moved it like 2 times, 3 times. So we're going to wait until we get to the flooring, and we're going to move it like 2 more times because we got to do the flooring in the kitchen. We got to tear the old laminate flooring that they got, down in the kitchen. So the flooring, original flooring, is wood, and it looks pretty decent. And it seems pretty solid. So we'll cut around a lot of this stuff and try to pull this carpet up. And that'll be the video that we have for you guys for Monday for this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know we got videos coming out. And let's get to work.
Surely they didn't paint it. What is this color? Lighter?
Something. Hey, you. Got you, sucker. Hey. Yeah. Oh, I thought you said this really has a really long nose. Well, wait a minute.
Really?
There's no need to make fun of my nose. Okay. Y'all tell me in the comments what this is for a faucet. I about said a faucet. A kitchen faucet. It's got some weight to it. Is it a weight to hold the water down? Okay, all for the floor. Excuse me, Mr. Sir. Do you know we have probably been here since at least the early 90s? Well, guess what? Your time's up. Do you think you own this place? I do. So let's get the party started. Okay. But I am a schizo, because I'll make a bunch of skits.
No one would know that. Cookies.
Now, I did not, when I'm pulling this up, I am not pulling up anywhere where I started to cut them in.
Yeah, where the heck?
So, I don't know how that happened. I'm not checking the time. I'm checking to see if I got bit by a spider. Man, this knife sucks.
So that means the carpets were here before the walls. Oh my god.
Look here, partner. There's only room in this town for two of us. I met you. Oh.
Hey, I'm about to say you gotta roll. I can smell it.
That was the side that had all the chemicals.
I thought they all went extinct.
For a second.
No.
If I get sick and die, we know why. What side? I'm breathing it in. I see it.
I can
It's floated there.
smell it.
It's floated there.
I can smell it. At night.
Oh, we got most of the carpet up. We only got a little bit left to get up. Show them a little bit.
It's the section.
This little section right here, it's got all the bigger stuff. Then we got to pull the rest of the kitchen floor up. But look how fresh this floor is. I mean, it looks pretty decent. Don't look bad. Don't seem like there's any.
No weak spots.
Don't seem like there's any weak spots. All these spots right here might be the glue where those holding down the carpet.
It is.
But this is only the beginning of the flooring for the living room and for the kitchen. We got many more coming, and we appreciate you coming back and watching the video. Thank you for watching our videos, and we got more content coming. You know, we apologize for this week because we know that we're going to be short on some stuff, and the videos might be short if we put them out because of the feast days, as I said in the beginning of the video, and we're hoping that you're enjoying the videos and that you're liking and subscribing. And I mean, even if you give a thumbs down, just drop in the comments what you like, what you don't like, and don't forget to come and watch us. Shalom, y'all.